Welcome to the Investing Masterclass. My name is Sarthak and I am the Head of Wealth Management at Minbo. Firstly, congratulations on being here. In the next 30 minutes, you are going to become an investing genius. I'm not kidding. By the end of this video series, you will learn about the basics of personal finance and investing, asset classes like bonds, stocks, gold, etc., and how they can be used to create a portfolio. And most importantly, how you can create and manage your own portfolios using these asset classes to build wealth and achieve your goals in the long run. Yes, that's all it takes to become an investing genius. In fact, even a fifth grader could learn all of these things only if someone was there to teach them. But as they say, better late than never. Now, who doesn't want to create wealth and live with their families on the beach for the rest of their lives? So why are you raising your hand?
I'm already wealthy and I live at the beach with my family.
That's great. But how did you create your wealth?
Bitcoin, man.
Creating wealth is a tricky process, and not because of the financial knowledge required, but more so because of the large amount of patience that you need to have. Everyone wants to become wealthy today, not tomorrow, not next year, but today. So what are some of the ways in which you can become wealthy in one day? Rob a bank, win a lottery, or invest all of your life savings in a new crypto project. Do any of these and becoming wealthy is never a guarantee. In fact, in almost all of these experiments, you're bound to end up losing money. Now, by far, the most sustainable and time-tested method of creating wealth is investing in the stock market. But what are stocks? What is the stock market? And how can you create wealth by investing in the stock market? Let's try and understand with a simple example. You see this phone? Yes, this is an iPhone. Now we all know this is made by Apple. Now I can make calls from this phone using the Jio SIM that I have, which is made by Reliance. I can also watch videos on my phone by installing apps like YouTube and Netflix. Now all these companies contribute to the great experience that I have on my phone. Passionate entrepreneurs have put in their sweat and blood into building these amazing companies. Now at some point, while building their companies, they required money. So how did they raise this money? What they did was that they offered small ownership of their company to people like you and me, and in turn got this money. Now the small portion of ownership is called stocks. Now once these stocks are with people like you and me, they can also be freely traded. For example, if I own 5 stocks of Apple, you can come and buy it from me at an agreed on price. Such a trade takes place on something called as the stock market. So now that we have a basic understanding of what is a stock and what is a stock market, let's try to understand why do we even trade stocks and why do you buy them in the first place? You see, the price of a stock reflects the performance of a company. So when Apple posts a 20% higher profit or it sells a record number of iPhones, the price of the stock goes up. So if you expect Apple to keep performing the same way in the future as well, it's a great option to buy and keep an Apple stock.
But isn't the stock market risky?
Yes, I'm coming to that. The stock market is definitely risky, but only if you have an investing time frame for just 1 year. If you are investing in the stock market for a period of 15 to 20 years, the risk of losing money is almost zero. I mean, look at the stock market over the last 20 to 25 years. It's gone only one way, up.
Humans have innovated for millions of years. Fire, the wheel, cars, planes, the internet, smartphones, and all these innovations have ensured that we continue to create and consume. The stock market is a reflection of our ability to innovate, create, and consume. If you believe this will continue over the course of your lifetime, then investing in the stock market is a great way to participate in human progress and at the same time grow your money. See you in the next video.